Month? No, I'm joking, I'm not going to do that. Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. We're going to be talking about my pickups in January. I was inspired by Magnus Ronning, insane YouTuber, fuego memes, honestly. If you've not seen him, check him out. The link will be in the description below, where he just talks about, there's a section where he calls it non-hype piece pickups. Usually there are hype piece pickups. That's just getting type piece humour. Where he talks about what he got within the month. There's a lot of probably other YouTubers that do this, but that's one I watch mainly, and that's one I'm going to shout out because he's insane. So if you've not seen him, go watch him. I'll leave the link in the description below, so yeah, go see him. So we're going to jump off with number one. That is the Nike Air Force Ones. This was with the blue tick. Right, so here we go. We have the blue tick Air Force Ones. So it's just the classic Air Force One silhouette with the white upper and then the blue tick. Looks insane, just very minimalistic with a Nike on the back. And then just the blue tick. Looks insane, very minimalistic, looks good. I'll show you on feet. I got these for £75, insanely good pickup. Very cheap, reliable, always a good pickup with Air Forces. If you guys need any shoes, any new shoes, Air Forces are the way to go. You can get these from Shoe, etc. I'll leave links in the description below for everything here. So yeah, let's jump on to the next one. We're jumping on the second one. So we have the Nike Air Force Easter 18s. If you've not seen my StockX video, go watch it. This is where I talk about them, unbox them on video. And yeah, it's a good video. If you guys want to watch it, it'll be there. Oh, got them. Right, so I got these for $98.49 after StockX charges, which is actually a good price for these, as when I was going to buy them they were up at like 120 and stuff on StockX. Size 9, so size 10 on StockX, but it has pastel colouring on it. Just a classic Air Force silhouette, but it has pastel colouring on it with suede material, mesh material, leather and patent leather. Good, it's an insane shoe, I love it. It's so hard to wear with, but I found stuff to wear it with, and yeah, it looks amazing. So let's try one on feet. So the last shoes of the month, I know there's 3 pairs, it's not that bad. Usually it's worse, but the fact is they're all Air Forces, so that kind of makes it a wee bit bad. But we're going to jump on. So number 3 is just the standard Air Forces, but with a red tick. It's always good just to have multiple pairs of Air Forces, especially different tick colours or just normal different colours. You can really wear them with anything. So I have them here. So what they are is just a normal white silhouette as spoke about previously, with the red Nike on the back and then the red tick. Very clean. I've worn them a lot already, so you can see the creasing on them. But a very good shoe. You can wear them a lot. It's good. I'll show you guys an on foot. We're going to jump off with another item. So these are the ASOS printed jeans. It has kind of a metal feel to them, with a lot of printed stuff written on them. So you just have a lot of decaling, with like Misery Loves Company and a Sleepless. Who can relate? Woo! Sleepless detailing is right there, and then some more on the back. These are double printed. They are a 34 by 34, that's UK sizes, but as you can see on the back they're the same. It's just a nice pair. You can always never go wrong with a pair of printed jeans. Metal definitely ain't my genre of music, but I think it speaks for itself essentially. Although, because they are ASOS, they don't have the best zip quality on them. It does work, just not very well, but that's expected when you're buying ASOS stuff. They're not premium, they were in sale. I got them for £28. It's not too bad to be honest, so yeah, I'll show you guys them. On ASOS again, I just bagged it with my normal item. So it came with yellow, just the lined socks, the black green. It also came with red and blue, but I don't have them right now. I think they're in the wash. They're just always essential. You can use these to link with shoes, to link with anything you're wearing, to be honest. It's just good. They were only £10, so why not, eh? The next item are these Boohoo man trousers. It's just like a checkerboard pattern with the red tapering down the side. Just very minimalistic. They were in the sale. They were only £9. Thought I'd pick them up. They're like a tracky material, very light. They actually can be very dressy if you wear them properly. But yeah, they're in size large. It was just something else. They were £9. Picked them up. Just why not? Yeah, I'll show you them on. So the next item on the list, as you guys have seen me wear before, this is the Starr hoodie. Although I got this one 2 months ago, I've got a black one coming. I just put it in because it is coming. It's not here yet. But you've seen me wear it in videos. It's by Jaden Smith, Misfits. Part of the merch for the Starr album. Looks insane. There's not much you can say about it, but there's just so many details going on. So you've got the Starr logo. You've got a very descriptive, just blurb here in a sense. You've got visions down the sleeve and on the back. And on the back of the sleeve, you can hardly see it, but it says the sunset killed him. It's in pink writing all down the sleeve. On the back, it just says Starr Vision and multiple, and then it's confusion. It says beautiful confusion, and then she killed him over here. Yeah, over there. It's good. It's an insane piece. Comfy, very high quality actually. Cost me $56.53 due to US conversion. But yeah, it goes for a lot. I'll show you guys on and out for you. The next couple of items were a part of an end order that I had. They came in, it was just a couple of items because they were on sale, so I picked them up. So firstly, we have the Champion Reverse Weave Beanie. It's a good quality. This is in the pink colour. It's a cotton blend. It's heavy, so it's very comfy on the head, and it does keep you warm. And obviously, because it's Champion, it's an insanely good garment. It's always good with Champion. You can never go wrong. It's been really cold here in Scotland recently, so this has been keeping me warm because it's generally so good. So yeah, I'll try it on. So there you go, it's on. It's just a beanie with the Champion logo on the front, but it's so comfy. Although it is heavy, it keeps you warm. So yeah, it does it. The next one is the same beanie, but it's just in a teal colourway. So it's in a light green minty colour. With the Champion logo on the front also. It's the exact same as the other one, so we'll just show you straight on. It's just the same detailing, same garment, good quality, so yeah, can't really complain. So that's it on my head. Obviously it has the Champion logo there. It doesn't really go with what I'm wearing, which is actually the cause tee. It's insane. But yeah, it's good quality, as I said. The last one keeps you warm, does its job. I got the hats for $25 each, which is actually a good price, especially for the quality they are. One of the last couple of pieces is the Champion mustard sweatshirt. It's just got the Champion logo on the chest area there. Just a mustard colour with the Champion logo on the sleeve. This is the size large. This came with end order. It's just so good. I love Champion stuff. The garments are insane. They keep you warm. They're really thick, so they are comfy and they're good to wear whenever. With the fleece material inside, it keeps you warm. I've decided to go with the mustard this time because mustard's coming back into fashion and your boy needs to stay on the trends. But yeah, good quality. I have multiple of them and they're cheap and good quality. I got this for £49 on sale, so it's not bad. I'll just try it on for you guys. Next is this Columbia sweater. It is in a pink with the Columbia logo that's not embroidered, it's also embroidered, so it's pushed out. It has a zip on the bottom corner that can be used to store anything you want to store. It's just a very small space, but it does its job. If you're a rich boy, you can store your Apple AirPods in there, you know, just rich, you know. Columbia always has good quality garments, and this is definitely one of them. Although it is light, it's still very comfy, it keeps you warm, so good quality. I got this for £35, so good quality. So lastly, in this pickups video, I have an Adidas, just a trefoil crew neck. It's just red, it's just a very large Adidas branding on it. I decided to pick it up because it's good, it's oversized quite a bit. Good quality, got this in a large. I got it for £29. It's very warm, very good. So yeah guys, I'll show you throughout that video you should have seen clips of everything I was wearing. I picked them up just randomly this month. It's been a bit slow in the hype stuff. There's not really been much releasing, but next month it should be a lot better. I'll be doing these monthly. But as I said, if you've not seen Magnus Ronning, check him out in the description below. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you didn't, dislike. And leave a comment to tell me why, because I'm always wanting to improve on these videos. So if you guys can give me any constructive criticism, I'll take it. There'll be links in the description below for all these items anyway. So yeah, peace out guys.